Happy Teachers' Day, friend. Teachers' Day celebrated to honor Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was the second president of India, and his birthday of 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day since 1962. Today we will discuss about Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He is a highly respected person in Indian philosophy and education, and he admired so many peoples. He was born on September 5, 1888 in a small town called Tirutani in Tamil Nadu, India. Radhakrishnan's life story is truly inspiring. He came from a modest background but went on to become one of India's most famous scholars, philosophers, and leaders. He even became the second president of India. Radhakrishnan's early years were tough due to financial struggle, but his love for learning and determination to get an education helped him overcome these challenges. He earned his bachelor and master degree in philosophy from Madras Christian College. Later he received a scholarship to study at the University of Oxford in England, where he developed his deep knowledge of philosophy. His sharp thinking and insightful interpretations of Indian philosophy quickly gained him recognition. Radhakrishnan made significant contributions to philosophy. He is famous for his expertise in comparing different religions and philosophies from around the world. His writings have been translated into many languages. His most important work, The Philosophy of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, explores his interpretations of both Indian and Western philosophy, connecting the two and earning him respect in the global philosophical community. One of Radhakrishnan's remarkable abilities was his knack for explaining complex philosophical ideas into a way that everyone would understand. He believed that philosophy was essential for personal growth and making society better. His work continued to inspire building philosophers and thinkers worldwide. Radhakrishnan's passion for education extended beyond his philosophical pursuit. He strongly believed that education was the key to inspiring and improving society. He held teaching positions at various prestigious institutions such as the University of Mysore and University of Calcutta. His teaching style emphasized combining Western and Eastern philosophies, providing students with a complete view of the world. When he served as Vice Chancellor of Andhra University and Banaras Hindu University, he pushed for important changes in education. Radhakrishnan's vision for education focused on building character, teaching moral values, and encouraging critical thinking. These principles continue to shape Indian education institutions today. Leadership in politics. Radhakrishnan's journey from academia to politics demonstrated his commitment to his country's well-being. He served as India's ambassador to the Soviet Union and later became the Vice President of India. However, his most significant political role was when he became India's second president in 1962. During his presidency, Radhakrishnan stood out for his modesty and wisdom. He famously declined celebrations on his birthday and suggested that it be observed as Teachers' Day, highlighting the importance of education in society. India continues to honor this tradition, legacy, and influence. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan's legacy lives on long after his time. His contribution to philosophy, education, and politics have left a lasting impact on India and world. His ability to connect Eastern and Western philosophies continues to inspire scholars and thinkers worldwide. He believed in education as a tool for personal and society growth remains relevant today. Radhakrishnan's get Knighthood Award in 1931 from United Kingdom and Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award in 1954 from India, and British Academy Fellowship Award in 1938 from United Kingdom, and President of UNESCO's Executive Board in 1948 from UNESCO, and Vice President of India in 1952 India, and President of India he became in 1962. So friends, this is little description and discussion on Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Again, happy Teachers Day. Thank you to listening this podcast. See you soon in next podcast.